Hi. Well. It looks like the Duggar family will display the train typically to the squeezing halt among thanks to the standing revelations that Josh Duggar, the old boy in the in the in the clan molested one of his younger sisters when he was 15 years old. Now, these were the allegations that we want, but he he admitted it, saying, "Quote, what I did was inexcusable," and his mother, Michelle, I think sees it worse than all this. Something that just bothers me about mothers who allow their kids to be raised in front of a camera with no privacy for money. Oh, that's right, Michelle. You said the word Jesus. No, you and your husband are money-grubbing scumbags who use your children for profit. Now, now, this, this, this wouldn't be so interesting if Josh were not on a member of the Family Research Council, which basically is one of the biggest anti-civil rights when it comes to like LGBT and gay rights there. And Michelle Duggar had the best response to this, I think. We we it caused us to find strength in our faith more than ever. It was a horrible thing that happened. And then the dude's wife admitted that she knew that he had molested one of his sisters when his sister was only 13 years old, and then she married the pervert anyway. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm being so hard, but these people present themselves as good, moral Christians. Well, in my opinion, all they are is money-grubbing scumbags who who stole their children's salad so they could make a profit off that naughty religious view. And then you probably use some of that profit to take away those profits to take away the rights of other consenting adults to get married or to have any rights at all. So I have no sympathy for John Duggar. Oh, and Mike Harvey, yes. People do sinful, unforgivable things. There's something that are just too unforgivable. So I'm glad to see the Duggar in that case is finally exposed who they are. I always knew that there was something not right with those people, and now I'm proven right. Again, I'm sorry I'm being so rude, but when you when you're on a board that wants to take away consenting adults' rights to get married and force a Christian theocracy on the rest of us, because of your crazy religious views. I have no sympathy for you. Anyway, I want you. Is this the end for the Duggar fan?